Hello everybody, welcome back to Burnt Church. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's been a nice day here. I'm working on the lathe a little while. I thought I'd bring y'all along with me. I wasn't going to film this because I didn't think it was going to turn out very good, and I still don't know what it's going to turn out like. I'll bring you over here closer to it and let you look at it. It's a piece of that spotted maple stump. It was just a little old bitty piece that I cut off, and I kind of thought it was too far gone to do any good, but I've started turning it a little bit here, and it's looking better, and it may still not make anything. So this may be a bust to start with, but we're going to try it and see what it turns out like. I'm going to ask you, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and y'all don't forget that thumbs up or the thumbs down. That has been working wonders for the videos here lately, and I sure do thank you for it. This piece isn't real big, but it had some pretty color in it. Now, like I said, I've done turned it a little bit, and a lot of it's real soft. So it may not turn out any good. I just don't know. We're going to turn it on down a little bit more and see. I have no idea what I'm making out of it. Probably some kind of bowl or cup, if it'll hold together. Y'all probably seen these already. I made a short video the other day unboxing these. And these are from Harbor Freight. And so far, they're doing pretty good. I've had to sharpen them. The factory sharpening wasn't real good. I'll show you right here. You can probably see over here I've got all kinds of sharpening stones and things out. But what I've been doing is hitting them on the sander. And then taking this right here, this is a 1500 grit sandpaper. And once I hit it on the sander, I bring it over here. And while I'm turning, I usually don't have to sand anymore. I'll stop a few times along the way and just kind of liven it up with this sandpaper right here. And that seems to be working pretty good. Now, I'm sure there's some out there that's a lot better metal than these, but for the price that I paid for these, I couldn't not get them, which I didn't have any. I had just a few that came with the lathe, but them were shorter than what I wanted. You can see the difference here. I wanted some that was a little longer, and I wished it had been longer than this, but this was the best Harbor Freight had. And they had them on clearance. I don't know what their regular price was, but I got them for $34 for the whole box. And I think y'all can see that box over there. Come with a pretty little case, green felt inside. And I feel like we done all right with these. We still got a little bit of that softwood. And then there's a pretty big dent. Now I don't know whether we'll turn plumb down through that or not. We're going to just keep going a little bit and see. here's where we're at so far. And here's where I'm having the most trouble. Which this piece here is pretty, it's almost too far gone. It's got a lot of puffy wood in it. But my knife keeps wanting to hang up inside in here. I'm probably 1.5 inches to 2 inches deep here now. And I'm about to where I'm going to quit at. We'll reset the tool rest. And I think I'm going to put a couple little designs on here. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but the bowl kind of flares out here at the bottom. Right there you can kind of see it. Right here is like a pit in it, but I'm not worried about that. I'm going to leave a lot of that on here. Right here, I'm leaving all that on there. So let's cut our design and see what it looks like. Our first small bead, I think we'll put right above this bad spot, right in here. And then our next one, I'm going to put right here at the transition, I believe, where it starts flaring back out. We'll put those two and see what it looks like. Now, I've got 2 different ones of these to cut the groove with. I'm going to use this older one here. It's a little smaller. And I think it's a little sharper right now. I need to put a little mark right here where to start at. I'm going to make it about right there. That's about got it. Well, there's our finished project. Well, it's not finished. I'm going to probably put some kind of coating on it. And I may do a little bit more sanding. What y'all think about it? I think it turned out pretty good. It's my first complete project. I've worked on a few other things. And this would have been real pretty, but it started cracking, so I've just quit on it. Same way with this. It started splitting after I started turning it. And I may go back on this one and work a little more. I could probably make some kind of something out of that. I don't know what this is called. But I think it done pretty good for our first complete project. So there'll probably be more of these videos coming out here before much longer. Y'all know how it is when you get a new toy. you just want to play with it all the time. And I've been working with it. I've had to do a lot of work on it. I'll go into that probably on another video. Now this is a little bit soft wood. You can see right here we've got a tire out. But I think it'll be fine just for a little decoration. And I think whenever we put some kind of clear coat or something on here, it's gonna make these colors jump out a lot more. I just love that color there in it. But anyway, that's about all we got today. I thank y'all for watching. I pray God blesses you, and I'll see you in the next one.